ECM blower motors and high static, that's a motor killer. You are going to ruin that motor by constantly having that motor run up against high static. So if you can't get the static pressure in the normal range that it needs to be in, and the sweet spot with residential equipment is 0.4 to 0.6. That's your sweet spot. Because that's where most manufacturers really want you to be with residential equipment. These are not
Right.
high static units, So when you start creeping up to that 0.7 and higher, and really the biggest cutoff that I like to say is 0.8. If your static is 0.8, total static, and your dip switches are not set for too high of a CFM, then your ductwork is too restrictive, whether it be the return, whether it be the supply, or a combination of both. Maybe it's just the registers aren't open enough. And I've seen guys do that. They turn a blind eye. And I learned this when I was out in the field. I would always be so narrow-minded, I'd go straight to that piece of equipment and overlook the obvious. The first
Yeah.
thing you should be doing if you're going up to a service call is just walk the house. Make sure all the registers are open.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Make
it
sure
could
the
be as
filters are
simple
clean.
as,
Yeah.
it could be as simple as that the register, not all the registers are open. Because they got three rooms, let's say, that they said, okay, we're not using those rooms, so they closed the vents. When you got one unit controlling the temperature of an entire space, multiple rooms, the system is designed to move a certain amount of CFM. You start closing off registers, now the system can't deliver the CFM that's required for it to move for the system to work properly.
Right.
So closing off registers to a room because of the fact you're not using that room is not saving them a nickel. That's a myth.
Mm-hmm.
The only registers I ever recommended to customers to close when I was in the field doing service work was bathrooms, because sometimes bathrooms could get too hot or too cold in the summertime, and maybe you choke them down. But bedrooms and stuff that you're using, if you even if you're not using them, they need to leave them registers open.